This outer building, its history is quite interesting. I'm still trying to verify whether it was a shed, i.e. primarily for animals, or it was a shared space where humans and people lived alongside the animals. There's evidence of both inside this building, but this remains the priority over there, getting into the cottage. And I'm nearly there. And in the meantime, this old door has to go. It's starting to rot, as you see, from the base up. So got it. Next step here is to take it out. It should come. Oops. It should come out easy. It's a matter of just grabbing it, I think. More. Okay, that's one upright, and there's the one up here, which is the crossbeam. We do this timber. That's firewood. That's gone. Oh well. Now the door itself. It should just fall away. That'll need two hands. One hand is on the mobile phone, so I'll have to shut it off now.